Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia C32 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the forced restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly, so it does not respond to your touches and you cannot do anything. Then a forced restart should help at least. All you have to do in order to soft reset your device is to press the power button, which is right here, and press it long enough until you will see the black screen and the developer's logo, and your device then will cut all of the processes, all of the ongoing apps, etc., and restart the system. So let me press this button. Okay, as you can see, we had to keep pressing, so simply ignore everything which will appear. We've got the black screen, we've got the developer's logo right now, or maybe not the developers, but Android, so the system logo. And right now we have to simply wait. Your device will be restarted in a second, and hopefully it will work normally. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.